Hello dear students, we are doing the exercise of DPP-3 related to pituitary gland. Can we start the pituitary gland DPP? Okay, so let me know in the comment section. Another name of pituitary gland is known as. And pituitary gland is located in. This is your homework question. Question number 1 on your screen. Concentration of urine is controlled by. Concentration of urine is controlled by antidiuretic hormone. Why it is called antidiuretic hormone? Because diuretic meaning होता है diuresis. Diuresis means what? Frequency of urine, frequency of sodium and water loss. तो उसकी ऑपोजिट की एक्शन करेगा एंटी बोला है. एंटी यानी कि टू प्रिवेंट द लॉस ऑफ सोडियम एंड वाटर थ्रू द यूरिन. दैट्स व्हाई एंटी डायरेटिक हार्मोन it is control the concentration of urine because it does not it does not follow the diuresis. It prevent the diuresis. Question number 2. The hormones of neurohypophysis are forming. Hormones of neurohypophysis. This is called anterior part of pituitary gland. This is called posterior part of pituitary gland. Anterior part of pituitary gland. This is called pars. This is called pars, and this one is called pars. This pars is known as distalis. This pars is known as pars media. And this pars is known as pars nervosa. So nervosa is called neurohypophysis, and the hormone of pars nervosa is formed in hypophysis. That's why it's called hypothalamus. So these hormones are synthesized in hypothalamus, but it is stored in axon terminal in the pars nervosa. Option 2 के अंदर आंसर आएगा 4. Question number 3. Diabetes insipidus disease is caused by the due to deficiency of hormone is produced by. कहाँ से प्रोड्यूस होता है? पिट्यूटरी हार्मोन में से, क्योंकि एंटी डायबिटिक हार्मोन की डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से ही हो रहा है. तो एंटी डायबिटिक हार्मोन कहाँ से निकलता है? पाँव. पोस्टीरियर पार्ट ऑफ पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. ए फॉर एडीएच और वेजोप्रेसिन बोलते हैं, उसका दूसरा नाम है वेजोप्रेसिन. और O4 का नाम है ऑक्सीटोसिन. तो दो हार्मोन कहाँ से निकलते हैं? पोस्टीरियर पार्ट ऑफ पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. दैट्स व्हाई इज कॉल्ड पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. आंसर आएगा 1. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ऑक्सीटोसिन इज यूज इन मिल्क इंजेक्शन पार्चुरेशन. पार्चुरेशन का मीनिंग होता है डिलीवरी ऑफ बेबी. Delivery of baby and milk let down process. That's why option 4 should be correct over here. This is your DPP number 3 answer key on your screen. If you have any doubt, any clarification, any justification, that let me know in the comment section. Thank you, students.